So my name is Rob Hull. I'm the Director of Product Marketing for all the cloud-enabled services at Extreme. We've been talking about ExtremeCloud SD-WAN and mainly focusing on the application performance management capabilities and the exciting new fabric to the edge capabilities of SD-WAN. One of the key things about our SD-WAN is our ability to do highly granular application discovery, and then we can do management, performance and visibility on our new SD-WAN orchestrator. As we discover over 5,000 applications, that could be useful for the customer understanding what their shadow IT looks like, but more importantly knows what applications they want to control. Then what they can do is they can allocate those applications on top, high, medium and low categorizations of how important they are, and they can also tag what quality of experience they'd like those customers to get. And then our system just automatically profiles those applications so that every single user and every single site gets the best possible experience. If there is congestion, then what happens is we compress the tier 4 applications and make them run slower, so the most business critical applications still run really well. It's pretty unique. Everybody does that, but we do it at a very, very granular level, which means you can get to understand how your data center applications are individually working, or your SaaS applications, and get the best user experience possible. Then on Fabric to the edge, a lot of our customers are using Fabric at the data center or Fabric at the large customers, at large campuses. And now they can actually use Fabric all the way to their branch offices everywhere in the world. From a Fabric perspective, the LAN manager basically now sees just one Fabric across the entire world. It looks like everybody's on a LAN, very easy to manage, lots of hyper-segmentation, really, really good for compliance and security management. But they're using low-cost internet. And of course, what happens is it's easy to set a site up because the Fabric switches are automatically discovered and then they get configured. So it's not just zero-touch provisioning, it's zero-touch configuration, all automated, and they get security and application performance over low-cost internet, as well as getting a unified Fabric. 80% of the customers are coming and asking more about Fabric. A lot of interest in how they can extend Fabric to those branch offices and with little effort. About 20% are actually interested purely in our application performance management. A lot of people thinking about digital transformation, migration to the cloud, and it's really critical that that goes smoothly for their company, and therefore they like the ability to monitor what's going on at a per application level. These are a couple of SD-WAN boxes. This is our one that goes up to 750 megabits per second. This is our slightly bigger data center one. You can see it's actually a rack-mounted switch. But remember, we don't actually sell boxes. We've got 6 boxes, but actually it's a subscription service running from 250 megabits per second to 10 gig. And then we provide, for that monthly subscription, we provide you the best box to meet your service needs. Simple licensing, one license covers WAN optimization, all of the stateful firewalls, everything you need to run a private WAN over the public internet service. So the most important thing to remember about ExtremeCloud SD-WAN is we've got best-in-class application performance, visibility control, and we're the only vendor out there that can extend Fabric from the data center all the way to the branch offices.